to episode 20 of our van build.
Yes, it's really 20.
So this week we're going to just get on with putting some curtains up, the toilet in, the bed.
But first of all, I'm going to make a roof rack for our solar panel.
Woohoo! So that's exciting. Stay tuned. Mike's laid out how his roof rack's going to go. Now he's just got to put it all together. He's got some 25mm angle aluminium and he's going to cut pieces off to make angle brackets, and that's how he's going to join it together. Mike's cut out his little angle pieces. Now he's going to rivet them to there to make a little frame.
So I've just done a test hole and a test piece. Well, that's the right height, size for my rivet.
Here's the frame for our solar panel. He's pre-drilled holes. Now he's going to drill through the roof to mark where to put the roof nuts. Then he's going to drill out the 4 corners and put the roof nuts in to hold it in place.
Put another one in there, secure it lightly, and then do the markings on the other side. So that is the plan. Let's see if I have to modify it.
More holes in, Justin.
There's a rib nut in there, and I've just bolted that in loosely so I can come down this end, line it up and put my rib nut in there.
So Mike's going to take all these bolts out now and he's going to put some butyl tape down the middle and down the outsides.
So under here is some butyl tape which I've stuck on. I'm going to put a double layer on this side and on the other side because it's slightly raised in the middle, so that just compensates for it.
Butyl tape, very sticky stuff.
That one goes down on the top, gives us a double thickness.
Okay. Now he's just going to go put it up on the roof. Exciting. Do the holes line up? That's it, homemade roof rack done. Now just to get the solar panel on.
Oh dear.
It's got the solar panel up, enough room for another one if we ever decide, or might want to put something else here. It's got some brackets on there already. I'm going to rivet it on the brackets that he prepared earlier. Rivets in. Panel up. Just give another clean. So we've got our shower in. Next job is to put in
A toilet.
yes. So Mike's going to do that now. So let's go and see what he's going to do. So what's the plan, Mike?
Well, we've had the toilet fitted in temporarily before, so we've got the holes in the floor there. I'm going to put some of this butyl tape onto the bottom here and then screw that down and make it waterproof, hopefully.
He stuck the butyl tape on there, sticking his screws through.
Toilet will sit down in between that, and there's a couple of screws on either side to lock it in place. Right, so.
all in. Now just have to put in the pee hose, which Mike's got there. He's really,
not very attractive.
I know, he's really had to adapt it because the hole ended up being smaller. There it is, the toilet and the shower. Awesome, Mike. Who's going to be first to use the loo? Probably me.
I've got a pole.
He's made this out of an old extension for a paint roller. And now he's going to make a curtain rail out of it. So Mike's just made these little things here, which he's just going to sit the curtain holder in. There and there.
See if it fits.
Oh, it doesn't fit. Oh, it does. Oh, exciting. Here we go. Cool. Oh, look at that. It looks all right. Well done, Mike. Well done. Now go in there and sit on the toilet and see what it's like. Oh, yes. I can't see you in there. I don't see you, baby. Wiping that ass. Wiping that ass. So we got this stuff from Kmart. It's annex matting. It was $25. And we're going to put this down on our bed base to help prevent it from going mouldy. So this annex matting, it's like just a little raised bit with little holes in it. It'll just let the air through to the mattress. So Mike's going to put that on now.
I thought it was separate squares.
No, it's one big continuous piece. So you have to cut it to size.
Squares you have to put together.
That'll be good. So we're just going to lay it on top. We're not going to stick it down or anything. Is that right?
Yeah.
Time flies by.
So Mike's just cutting it down to size. Hopefully he's going along the right line.
I'm cutting down the wires. Feeling kind of tired.
It's got little holes in it. Quite see-through. And we'll be able to use these other little off-cut bits in our drawers. Stop things slipping around. Now we'll just put our mattress on top of that. And hopefully it'll help keep any mould down. So we've got our bed in. It's a mattress, a foam mattress from Para Rubber with a memory foam topper we got from Crackerjack. Yeah, it's so comfortable. We're just putting some curtains up. These are the ones that came with the van.
Close the curtain. Brew some herbal tea.
Yeah, and we put up these which we had in the last van just to keep bugs out because I hate bugs, and a thing up the back which needs to be replaced because it's not quite wide enough, but it'll keep most of the bugs out for now.
Close the curtain.
Gonna make some curtains for the back of the van. This is some leftover insulation, so I've just cut it to size. And then we went to Kmart and bought these. Exactly the right size. European pillowcases. $15 for 2 of them. What I'm going to do, so all around I'm going to put magnets, and then they'll just clip up to the car door. So that's the plan. So how am I going to get the magnets into these 4 corners, I hear you ask? Well, simple. Mike's come up with a great trick, and I'll show you. So on these pillowcases, you've got a thing that goes all the way down. So what you do is you get 2 magnets, put it in there, the magnet, attach it to it, and just drag it all the way down. So then I just keep on dragging it. There we go. Got it in the middle there. So now I just have to do that for all of them. I've already got one in over there. I need one down this corner here. And then what I'll do is where the magnets are, I'll just run a little stitch either side to stop them moving. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just making stuff up as I go along and hoping it works.
I adore everything you touch.
Alright, so I've done some ugly stitching. Now I've just got to put my pillow in it.
My body craves identity.
Okay, pillow. So the idea of this too is when we take them off in the day, it provides a backrest for sitting in bed when I'm working. So that's perfect. I'll take it down, see if it works.
Oh, pretty please take it easy. No one likes push and shove. Let go of control.
Oh, hey there, we're just trying our little daytime setup with our new backrests
And having some nighttime reading.
and our books. So that's it for this week's episode. Next week, we're going away in Justin.
A road trip.
Yay, can't wait. So till next time,
Stay safe
have fun.
and be happy.
2 is 1, so we begin.